On June 27, 2025, Letbe Motorcycle launched Mecha Bee and Captain Dragonfly. Both are positioned as mobile trend motorcycles. The difference is that Mecha Bee focuses on technological personality and is suitable for commuting and mountain running. Captain Dragonfly is based on the Iron Armor Little Treasure IP and focuses on light urban terrain. Captain Dragonfly, a new non-paved option for beginners. Non-paved motorcycles are fun, but fewer and fewer players are willing to start. To explain the reasons, the product level is definitely to blame. To date, there are still few non-paved motorcycles suitable for beginners, low-seat, high-paved. Liebian's newly released Captain Dragonfly solves this problem. It is a product that can meet the needs of light unpaved areas with a seat height of 780 mm and a ground clearance of 230 mm. It is also very affordable. The official price is 12,970 yuan, and the co-branded price is 13,970 yuan. As long as you pay a deposit of 500 yuan online before July 31st, you can also enjoy a 2,000 yuan discount on the car price, which means the lowest price is 11,470 yuan. Captain Dragonfly takes the animation character in the movie Iron Man as its design inspiration, and also incorporates the bionic design. The first impression of the front of the car will make people subconsciously think of the animation character, who always emphasizes justice and fairness. In terms of details, it has its own unique design. For example, the handlebars and the rear shelf are painted with explosion-proof paint that is not afraid of scratches. The device uses a fully laminated color TFT screen, which can realize navigation and other functions by projecting the contents of the mobile phone onto the device via the hotspot WLAN method. The device also has an additional compass and altitude display function, which can add a sense of adventure to everyday off-road driving. It uses 18 front and 14 rear steel spoke rims with 130/70, 18 front tires and 180/55, 14 rear tires. It has a strong visual impact, and the seat height of 780 mm is very friendly to users with a height of 170 cm, and it is not difficult to put both feet on the ground. In terms of power, it is equipped with a 150 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine with a maximum power of 8.5 kW/7500 rpm, a maximum torque of 12 Nm/5500 rpm, and a fuel tank capacity of 11 L. In terms of safety configuration, it comes standard with dual-channel ABS and TCS.